Cool. So I will start with uh, our latest developer tool called the Theme Builder today. So Theme Builder allows you to play with different color schemes, different variables we have exposed. So I will try to use Theme Builder today to achieve dark mode. And whatever we miss, we can use CSS for that. So let's say I want to convert this liveboard to a dark mode. So I will start with, let's say application level. I want to set my background color. So I'll say I want to set my background color to black. I'll just load the changes. So you see the background is black. Now let's look at the charts. And let's say the background color of chart also I want to be black. Let's do that black. And let's load the change again. So we see that we have achieved bit of it. Now let's um let's change some more things. So let's change the access titles. These are a bit dark right now. Let's just say I want to change this to white. So you see the titles are white. Let's change the data label colors also. Let's change these to white. Um, Even the description I want it to be white. Um, and title color also I want to be white. That's about it. Okay, let's load the change here. So you see now things are white, things are visible. You can see all these things. You can read them. This looks like starts coming together. What about these borders? Maybe I want to do something with these borders. And maybe let's see more things. So you see that this menu is still white. So I want to turn this menu also black. This menu which showed up here. So let's find that out. So let's see context menu. And then the background color of the context menu, I want to be black. And let's say when I hover on it, I want it to be, yeah, this might be okay. And text color, I want to be white. And then let's load the change. So now you see the menu is also black and the hover also shows correctly. So this seems to be working. This looks good. So I can just save, look at this. So this is the JSON. Now, how do I use this, right? So for that, I have this project. Uh, I'll reload this. Um, so this is just a code sandbox um, for loading live boards. This we can um, uh, I can go to GitHub. I just opened it from GitHub. So there is a GitHub developer example. If you go to Visual Embed and go to Liveboard, this and you open this in Code Sandbox, that's the exact Code Sandbox. I've opened it here. So you can also go to this link and see this code yourself. But let's say I go here and I just, this is the port I'm using here. So you see, this is an example liveboard embed. I'll just go with the basic parameters one right now. And if I see here, this is still white, right? We already did it in the theme builder. Now let's see how we can uh, how we can make the changes here to apply the theme we just built, right? So let's say I go to developer. Now if I go to my reference and I go to init and I go to embed config. So I see that there is a customizations key here. So if I go to customizations, so there is a customizations interface. If I go to customizations interface, this gives me an example of how to do it. So let's try this one out. So if I go back to my app and inside in it, I want to go to customize. So you see it already suggests me to use customizations. And now within customizations, I am going for style. And then within style, I'm going for CSS with custom CSS. And then within custom CSS, I want variables. And now I can just look at my theme builder. These are my variables. So I'll just copy this guy from here to my code sandbox here. And then, oops, what happened here? Okay, let's just refresh this. I go to basic parameters. So you see now this slide board is also dark mode. So basically what you just had to do was we go to theme builder, build a theme, copy all these variables here. Now, one thing which is bothering me here is these borders. I don't want these borders to be this white. And that is not still like in this theme builder. I don't have that option yet, but that's one of the later variables we have introduced, which is called liveboard tile border color. So let's just put that one here. So it's called, and you see that even the liveboard, even the variables, we have autocomplete for them. So let's see if this shows up here. Name, TSWare, uh, liveboard, it doesn't yet, but that's okay. We can still use it. Refresh it. Oops. Go there again. Um, sorry, it's called border color. Again, for some reason the port doesn't change here, but that's okay. Yeah, you see the borders are now better. Now they are now these gray borders, which I wanted. So here you got dark mode, just like that. And if you see the menus are also all dark, which is what we wanted. So yeah, uh, that's about it.